to our new starter training tutorials. In this session, we'll be looking at the delivery process and how to manage your dispatch notes. We will cover the different delivery options within Prima. We will create a dispatch note, amend and add to an existing note, and complete the dispatch notes once the goods have been delivered. If you're using the Pod app, then please refer to a dedicated session on this topic. So let's first look at the different delivery options. This can be found within the location of a company record. So to check this, go to the menu on the left and select Company, Companies, and enter into a customer record. Just double click a location and click the arrow on the right hand side titled Delivery Option. There are 3 to choose from. Allow Consolidated means that all items available for delivery will be placed onto one consolidated note. Multiple sales orders will therefore have just one note. This is used to reduce the number of notes for the driver and could also be the preference for the customer. The Single Dispatch Require Back Orders option will create a dispatch note matching each sales order. No items will be available for dispatch if any one of the items on the sales order is on back order. And the Single Dispatch Ignore Back Orders will create a dispatch note for each sales order. And once items have been receipted in, they will be available for dispatch, regardless if other items on the sales order are on back order. This does seem to be the most popular option used. However, it can be set differently depending on the customer and the location. So let's create a dispatch note for standard and pick, wrap and label orders. Depending on your process, this may be done in the evening as pre-book or in the morning when the goods have been received. So on the menu on the left hand side, go to Movements, Dispatch, and select the red button named Available Lines. And click the search button to list all items that are available for dispatch. Again, depending on your process, if you pick through the day, you may prefer to create a pre-picking list first. So to do this, this can be done by using the reports here on the left called pre-picking. There are a few reports to choose from, and you can either view the report, print, email, and you can also save the report as PDF. Picking can also be done using the dispatch note. So to create the note, you simply highlight all in the list. I'm only going to select a few for this example. And you click the button that's named Create/Add to Dispatch Note. And again, depending on the system key set in Prima, you can either have items added onto an existing note or a new dispatch note created. So here are the list of the delivery notes that I've just created. I'm just going to double click into one of the notes so you can see that changes can still be done at this stage. So if you want to change the delivery address, then you can by selecting from the list within the company record. Remember to save changes. And if you want to add more items to this delivery note or just check to see if any are available since you created it, then you can click the button Available Items. The items listed in this pop-up will only be items for the same customer going to the same location. So to add any of the items, you can just simply highlight and click the button to add. You can also print within a delivery note. So if you wanted to just print this one note out, you can click on the Report tab here. You can, if required, email from here as well, and also save the report as PDF. If I want to print all the items in the grid, all I do is highlight and click the print icon at the top. This will open up a pop-up which will default to my printer set for this machine, and I just click the button Start Job. So click Print to print out all your notes. When the driver returns with the signed dispatch notes, complete the notes in Prima to finish the process. So to do this, you can highlight all the lines in the grid and simply click the button Complete. And click Confirm for your choice here. No more changes can be made from this point. It is important that previous day's notes are confirmed and completed before the next day's notes are created. There is a different process for direct delivery orders, as direct delivery orders are managed via the receipts. So when a direct delivery receipt note is completed, then the dispatch note is confirmed and completed automatically. So basically you do not need to complete direct delivery dispatch notes. So to recap, to create your dispatch notes, click the Available Lines button and click Search to get all the items available for dispatch in the grid. Highlight the lines and click the button Create/Add. These are your delivery notes, and then to print, you simply highlight and click Print. So that is the end of the session. I hope you have found it useful. If you have any training requirements on Prima, then please do contact our customer care department.